Is your Infiniti Q50 constantly dropping its connection to Apple CarPlay? Let's fix those glitches in 2 minutes. Data shows that 80% of intermittent connection issues are actually caused by bad cables or outdated software. Let us break down the diagnostics to find exactly why your phone is losing its link. Start by testing a genuine Apple cable, checking for debris in your charging port, and ensuring your phone's software is current. Software-side fixes like forgetting the device in your car settings or resetting your iPhone network settings often clear the cache. If the problem persists, look for loose pins in the USB port or potential corrosion in the wiring harness behind the dash. Simple fixes like cleaning or swapping cables usually work, but internal harness issues will require a professional shop visit. Most repairs fall under software or cable replacements, keeping your out-of-pocket costs very low for this specific issue. For advanced users, scanning for communication error codes or inspecting the wiring behind the center console trim can reveal hidden faults. Keep your toolkit simple with trim removal tools, compressed air for cleaning ports, and a high-quality data-rated cable. Remember, always prioritize testing the simplest connection points before you ever consider tearing apart your dashboard. If these steps fixed your CarPlay, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook.